Hi everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena and in this video I am making the healthiest no-bake vegan brownies. These are raw, no sugar added and dairy free, but they taste no less than regular brownies. So let's dive in, but make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out any new videos I post every week, and don't forget to hit that like button. In the food processor, add 3/4 cup of almonds, half cup of pecans. I'm going to give this a good pulse until it looks grainy. You can basically add any combination of raw nuts in this brownies. At this point, I am going to add 1/4 cup of cashews and some pitted medjool dates. I am taking 9 medjool dates. Spread it around. And with that, add 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Again, put the lid on and give this a pulse. Now add in 1.5 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, just a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of water, or you can use almond milk. Pulse this mixture for about 2 minutes. This brownie mixture has to be in this consistency. Coconut oil will help this brownie not get dry, and you should be able to make ball out of this mixture. And the pitted dates will help this mixture stick together. Take out this brownie mixture in a plate or on a parchment paper. Now using hands, flatten the brownie mixture in a square or rectangular shape. If you think the mixture is dry, use few more dates and pulse in the food processor again. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any new videos I post every week. And don't forget to hit the like button. Leave the brownie thickness for about 1 centimeter or as per your preference. Now cut brownie into small pieces. The nuts and dates in this brownie makes it super rich and healthy dessert. But let me garnish it with some broken cashews, or you can use sliced almonds as well. Eat it guilt-free because it has no sugar, but it still satisfies that sugar craving. And I personally enjoy it after I refrigerate them for few hours. You can store these brownies in an airtight container and refrigerate them for up to 2 weeks. I hope you learned how to make this super chewy, no-bake vegan brownie. And if you like to see more of the healthy dessert recipes, do leave me a comment down below and follow Flamboyant Flavors on Instagram. Please subscribe for future videos and hit that like button down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.